Hi, this is Monica, and I'm going to be teaching simple steps to do flipped leaves or leaves which are turned over, and these are tulip leaves. And this is primarily aimed at my own students who are doing this project online with me, so that they could just, work with the problem areas at home if they're confused about a certain concept. So these videos are going to be small clips, and if it helps anyone else understand the concept, that's great too. So we're going to be doing three basic kind of tulip leaves. One is just a straight one, which is very simple leaf, and then there's one that's flipping backwards and one that's flipping forward in front. And using the same concept, you can change how much in front the flip is. This is going towards the side but still facing us. This is going towards the side but at the back, and this is straight. So these are the basic ways in which we can do the leaf, and you can always do other versions of the same thing just based on the angles. Change the angles a little bit, and it'll give you slightly different effect for each of the bent leaves. So the straight leaf is very simple. It's just like an elongated version of a simple leaf, and it's kind of on the narrower side. It does have a pointy tip. Okay, so you want to make sure that it's kind of pointy on the top, and then after that you come down. You can follow the shape of the leaf. It doesn't have to be perfect, and it's a very simple leaf. Of course, I prefer not to have the vein going all the way, the center vein of the leaf going all the way to the tip. Just stop, just around a centimeter or so, or an inch or so, depending on the size of your leaf before the leaf ends on the top. Okay, and then for the flip, so we're doing the right side flip here. So you're going to start and just bend your line because your leaf is bending over. And then at that point where you're going to have the flat part of the leaf, you're going to try and make a slight bump there. Okay, so I'm going to name this first bump 1 and the second bump 2. Okay, and this is in between part that goes in. All right, this part of it you want straight. Okay, you don't want to bend it upwards like this. You want to keep it reasonably straight. Even going down in a bit of an angle is fine. So this is fine and this is fine. This is not fine. You don't want to go up. It can technically in nature go up, but it doesn't look aesthetically nice when you're drawing it when it's going up. So you prefer to go straight or go downwards. Okay, then from point 2, you're just going to come down to make the tip of your leaf. So this is the leaf where it's facing us. And so this is the part of the leaf that's going to be facing the front. So to complete the flip, we're going to start from just before the point 1 tip of the bump. Just before that, we're going to go and try to keep it curved from this point 2 so it looks natural, and then come and join this leaf out. So you see you can see that the front of the leaf is formed. Now, how do we do the back of the leaf? You're going to go from point 2, all right? So you need a point that would touch, if you were to draw a line, would touch somewhere on the point 2 curve, right? So somewhere here, you would want the thickness of your leaf is going to gradually reduce. So you don't want this to be so narrow. You don't want to start so narrow, or you don't want to go somewhere here that's really deep. If you draw a line here, it will not touch point 2. So somewhere, if you want to draw a light line, you could, but you need to erase this line. So you want to make sure that you don't dig your pencil in there. So that'll give you a starting point of approximately where your leaf should start. And then you're going to follow the curvature that you've given here so that it looks natural. And then you come in, you narrow down your leaf as you're going in. And so this would be the vein of the leaf here, and this would be the vein of the leaf there. And then you could erase out any of the extra lines that you've put there for proportions. So that's going to be the front flip. Now the same thing, if you want to do a back flip, I'm doing it on the left side. But if you have to do a front flip on the left side, it will be the same thing. But we are doing a back flip now so that we can learn both. So you start off with the same steps. So you have that leaf going, and I'm again given a bump And again, I'm going to name this 1 and 2. And if you notice, I've always the first bump closest to the stem is what we put as 1. And then the outer one is 2 on both sides. All right. And then out here, you will find that what is going to face you is the main part of the leaf, and what's flipped over is the back part. So here we're going to start differently. Here in this one, we're going to start from point 2 instead of point 1. Here we start from point 1. Here we're going to be starting from the outer point, which is point 2. Okay, and the same way you want to kind of start when the bump is just about ending. Okay, and follow the shape of the leaf and come in, right? So you could curve it a little bit more if you want to, but that's the basic idea. And then we're going to continue the flip. Same thing from around point 1, your starting point should be, you should be able to find a line back to somewhere near point 1 to be able to do a reasonably realistic looking flip. Okay, and I feel like my line here is a little too straight, so I'm going to just curve this just a little bit more to make it look a little more natural. Okay, and this the indication of your veins can really make a big difference to how the leaf looks in the realistic part of the leaf. So you want to just try to make sure that you have your veins there too. And so those are your 3 leaves. Okay, so you have the front flip, the back flip, and the straight. I hope this helps you out. Please practice this, and we get back to class, and hopefully we finish up the assignment next class. All right, bye bye.